I invite you to clear your minds from everything that you were doing before this. Sit comfortably and tall, whether on the ground or the floor, crossing your legs or placing both feet on the floor, placing your palms on your lap, rolling back your shoulders and opening your chest and rib cage. Close your eyes if you're comfortable doing so, or lower your gaze to a fixed point on the table in front of you or on your lap, and begin to slow down your breath. We are going to be doing a breathing meditation that I like to call Grateful Senses. During so, we are going to focus on things that we are grateful for based off of our 5 senses. Starting by taking a few inhales through our nose and out through our nose, noticing the rise and fall of our chest. Feeling the cool air come in and fill our lungs, and the warm air filtering out. Sight. What is it that you love to see that fills your body with happiness when you see this? Envision that beautiful thing, place, or person. Is it a beautiful sunset or sunrise? Maybe a friend or family member. Maybe it's a blossoming flower in the springtime that seems to bloom within the blink of an eye. What is that beautiful sight? Sound. What is that sound that you love to hear? That you can hear so calmly in the back of your mind? Maybe it's a favorite song. Maybe that song is even being sung by a family member. Even if it's sung horribly or off tune, it still fills you with happiness. Maybe it's the sound of waves crashing on the shore, birds chirping outside your window in the morning, or the sounds of an instrument. What is that beautiful, sweet sound? Scent. What is that scent that you love to smell? That scent that never gets old. That scent that warms your soul. Maybe it's fresh baked goods, hot out of the oven. The smell of the breeze on a warm summer's day, or crisp leaves in the fall. Maybe it's a family member's perfume, or the scent of coffee in the morning. What is that beautiful scent? What is that favorite taste? The taste that you can never get enough of. Maybe hot herbal tea or a favorite home-cooked meal. Or maybe a family member's famous dessert. What is that delicious taste? And touch. What is that you love to feel? That you so dearly wish you could feel right now. Maybe it's a warm fleece blanket that you can roll up in. Maybe it is sand beneath your toes as you walk along the beach. Maybe it's holding the hand of a loved one or a warm hug from them that you so deeply miss. I know I'm missing that right now. Let's hold that beautiful sense of touch in our mind to help comfort us, along with that beautiful sight, that soothing sound, that fresh scent, and delicious taste. Taking a few more deep inhales and exhales through our nose. Maybe you begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes, rolling your neck from side to side or rolling out your shoulders, slowly becoming more and more of your surroundings, and opening your eyes when you are ready. Thank you for joining me in this meditation, bringing awareness to your breath and your senses. Let them both comfort us throughout the rest of our day.